Hello, and in this tutorial I am going to explain you few more methods of string class. I'll be talking about two very interesting methods. One is index of, another is character at. What is index of? Index of will show you the position of a character. Suppose in the string A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, if you want to know where the character A lies in this string, character A is the first character, so index will be 0. If you want to know what is the index of character B is the second, and since in Java name the number starts with 0, so character B will be at position 1. Suppose if I want to know what is the index of character C, it will be 2, because character C is 0, 1, 2. Character at is another method which will find out what is the character at a particular position. So if you want to know what is the character at position 0, definitely it will be A. If you want to know what is the character at position 1, it will be B, because for the same reason, because in Java the numbering starts with 0 and not with 1. So character at and index of, they are kind of complement each other. So one is just complement to the other. Let me comment out some of the earlier display statements, otherwise it will be screen will be overcrowded. It will be difficult to see also what is being produced as output. So first let me explain one method which is to find out the character at position say 5. So what is the character at position 5? Okay, so to do that I have to use the method called character at, CHARAT. So let us print it, system out println, and character at position, this is just to understand better. Character at position 5 is, now the string is available in the variable called alphabet. So that is, alphabet is the object, so object dot method alphabet dot char at. So alphabet is more appropriate if we call it alphabet as an object and not a variable. There is a difference between an object and a variable. With an object you have all the methods available, but a variable is nothing but a value. So alphabet dot character at 5, char at, the method name is char at, and then parameter is the numeric value at which position the character is available. Now if I want to find out, say, the character M, in which position character M is present. Okay, so here we will be using index of. So index of is just complement of character at. So for index of, the parameter should be the character. So I want to find out what is the index position of the character M. Suppose what is the position of the character A? It is 0. What is the position of character C? It is 2. So the character M is at the position. Now again object is alphabet and the method is index of, and as a parameter I will pass the character, say M. Now okay, it looks little awkward because I have not done any indentation. You see the alphabet is still there, A to Z. Now let me put one colon and a space so that it can read better. Okay, let us put one colon followed by a space. Now it will look a lot better. Now if you run the program, now you see the character at position 5 is F. Now you count it starting with A 0, B is 1, C is 2, D is 4, D is 3, E is 4, and F is at position 5. So the character at position 5 is definitely F. You can count it yourself, because it starts in Java, the number starts with 0 but not with 1. Now next one will be character at index of the character M. We got the result as 12. Because if you start with number 0, the letter M will be in the position 12. So earlier we discussed about length of and 2 lowercase, and here we discussed about 2 more methods. I'll see you in the next tutorial.